Hello student, today topic is top 10 colleges of Delhi University and I give you complete and full information about the top 10 colleges of Delhi University. So please watch complete video till the last and also subscribe our YouTube channel Toppers Point Indore for more educational videos. So now let's start. Miranda House is one of the most renowned colleges in the country, located in North Campus of the in Delhi University. It is one of the top grade women's college which was established back in 1948. Major college courses offered in this college are BA English Honor, BA Economic Honors, BSc Chemistry Honors and BA Political Science Honors. The annual fest of Miranda College Topmost is one of the most buzzing fest of the Delhi University. The crowd of this college is enlivened and extraordinary in several fields, including economic and humanities. And if you want more information about this college, you can go the website www.mirandahouse.ac.in. The second college is Hindu College. It is established in 1899. Hindu College is one of the oldest colleges belonging to the Delhi University. Since its establishment, it has been one of the renowned colleges which offered a plethora of courses. BSc Zoology Honors, BA Economic Honors, BA Philosophy Honors, BCom Honors and BSc Chemistry Honors are some of the major courses offered to students who want to study in this college. The college also has a virgin tree in its campus which is a major attraction amongst the students of DU. If you want more information about the Hindu college, then you can go www.hinducollege.ac.in. Third one is St. Stephen College, a center of attraction for various writers including Chetan Bhagat. St. Stephen College is a brand in itself. It is one of the top colleges. It comes to naming the Star College of the Delhi University. St. Stephen College is known for both its science and humanity courses. Courses offered by this college are numerous. However, BSc Maths Honors, BA Economic Honors, BSc Chemistry Honors, BSc Physics Honors are the most popular courses. Kapil Sibal, Sasi Tharoor, Barkha Dutt are some of the noteworthy alumni of this college. St. Stephen is one of the most difficult colleges to get into because it's sky high cutoff. If you want more information about this college, then you can go the website www.ststephens.edu. Lady Sri Ram College is one of the most prime women college. Lady Sri Ram College for Women has a preachy crowd and is renowned to possess an enthusiastic ambience located in Lajpat Nagar area in Delhi. The college has enthralling architecture. Famous companies like Deloitte, Nestle and J. Shaw knock on its door to offer placement to the student of this college. BA Economics Honors, BCom Honors, BSc Mathematics Honors, BSc Statistics Honors and BA English Honors are some of the most courses offered by this college. The faculty of this college is experienced and well qualified. The college is tough to get into because of the towering cutoff. If you want more information about this college, then go the website lsr.edu.in. Sri Ram College of Commerce is considered as one of the foremost institute for commerce related education in the country. It is amongst the top-notch college which is fantastic placement record. From infrastructure to facilities, you will find everything beyond perfect. The college is well known for imparting quality education and helping the student to evolve as great entrepreneur. BCom honors, BA Economics honors, MCom postgraduate diploma in global business operations are some of the courses offered by the ISRCC. If you want more information about the college, then you will go on the website www.srcc.edu.in. Hansraj Hansraj College, commonly known as Shahrukh Khan College. Hansraj College has a long list of notable alumni like Anurag Kashyap and Ranvijay Singh, well known for its great infrastructure, lush green gardens, and also quality of education. The college is also famous for its co-curricular activities and extraordinary fest. Major courses offered in the Hansraj College are BCom honors, BA Economics honors, BSc Chemistry honors, BSc Botany honors, and BSc Physics honors. You can go the website www.hansrajcollege.ac.in. Next college is Gargi College, is another all girls college which possesses a long list notable alumni. Huma Qureshi, Urvashi Rautela, Alankrita Sahai, Miss Diva at 2014, and Sanya Malhotra are some of the most popular names located in South Delhi. The college offers well-known courses in the field of commerce and microbiology. If you want more information about Gargi College, then you can go the website gargicollege.in. The next college is Atmaram Sanatan Dharm College, formerly known as the Santaram Dharm College, is a co-educational college founded in 1959. The college offers a plethora of undergraduate and postgraduate courses like BA Pol Science Honors, BCom Honors, MA and MCom under the aegis of Delhi University. The college has some of the best clubs and societies for students to be a part of. Actor Raj Kapoor Rao is a notable alumnus from this college. If you want more information about the college, then you go the website www.arsdcollege.ac.in. The next college is Deen Dayal Upadhyay College, established in 1990 in the memory of renowned philosopher named Deen Dayal Upadhyay. The Deen Dayal Upadhyay College is one of the constituent colleges of the University of Delhi. The college offers 9 undergraduate and several postgraduate courses in field of math, science, English and management studies. Add-on courses are also offered in this college for improving the communication skill and promoting personality development of the student. If you want more information about the Deen Dayal College, then you can go the website ducollege.edu.ac.in. The last college is Crori Mal College, is another high-grade college of the University of Delhi. Apart from this, it is best known for counting the mega star Amitabh Bachchan as its alumni. Established in 1954, the college offers courses like BA Economics Honors, BCom Honors, BSc Botany Honors and BA Geography Honors. The placement cell of this college is extremely active and is able to fetch placement from all top-notch companies like Reliance, Deloitte and American Express. If you want the more information about the Crori Mal College, then you can go www.kmcollege.ac.in. If you want more information about the video, then you can comment the comment section. I will try to give you your answers. Thank you for watching.